Good day, guys. Welcome again. So, in this video, we'll be discussing on how to put the ceiling and the roof. So, please do well to subscribe so that when we drop videos like this, you'll be able to catch up and watch them on time. So, and also the main reason we are doing this is for you to learn on how to use Revit software from starting to advanced level. So, please do well to stick around. Also, you can share the video to your friends whether you are a student, an engineer, or an architect, forward the video to them so that they'll be able to learn too. Okay, so let's proceed. Here we are going to put the ceiling and we are going to put the roof, the parapet, and the roof. Yes, so we are going to do that all in this video. We are going to do that all in the video. So in case you have watched our previous video and you have a question to ask, you can do that on the comment section. We'll be there to answer you. So and also you can actually don't worry, let's just proceed. Okay, first of all, let's go to can go to our wall height. Go to our wall height. Okay, we are not seeing actually not seeing anything here. Let's work from the three sorry, I opened this on the ceiling, which is not normal. Um yeah. So let's just work here on the 3D. Let's work here on the 3D. So what is the next thing for us to put? I want us to put okay the ceiling first. So how do we do that? Let's just go to the ceiling. Let's go to the ceiling. Here under the ceiling here. So open the DPC slab instead. So we'll click on DPC slab. So here we'll be putting our ceiling. So coming to here, you will see under architecture, you will see ceiling here. Click on the ceiling, then you have to edit it. When you click on edit type, here you click the thickness of your ceiling. I want my thickness of my ceiling to be I want my thickness of my ceiling to be 50. So I'll be having maybe 35 here and I'll be having 15 here. You get, I'll be having 15 here. That'll be okay. I'll press OK. I'll press OK. Get, then OK again. I can easily come here. Can come here, sorry. There's something I need to edit. I need to do. Okay, sorry. I've actually edit this time. I'll come here. Okay, look at it. The height offset. Understand? So remember, we are working on the DPC slab. So from the DPC slab to where we want our ceiling to be, the height where we want our ceiling to be. So where do we want our ceiling to be? I want it to be at, remember the wall height. Our wall height is 3,300. I want my ceiling to be at 2,800 is okay. Okay, let's just do it 3,000, which is 3 meter. The building is going to be very heighty from inside, so you cannot be able to touch the roof. So press apply. Okay, so now we'll be putting the ceiling. Remember, we are here on automatic ceiling. We are here on automatic ceiling. So this automatic ceiling is for you to just go to the place, the room where you want to put the ceiling. It will automatically get the edges, and just all you have to do is just to click the button, the left click the button. It will just put the ceiling there. Left click here, it will put the ceiling. Same thing, same thing. But when it is on a sketch ceiling, this sketch ceiling, you can only use it when don't maybe it is not be able to, like, he didn't get the edge of this outside beam, or maybe it's an outside or just is not actually getting this thing. All you have to do is use this sketch ceiling here. Click on the sketch ceiling, then you can use this. Click from here to here. You can also do it, click from here to here. So but it is easier to use automatic. So all you have to do, you mark this. You see we have ceiling all around now on the building. So when you go on the 3D, you see that we have ceiling here. We have ceiling is already covered. You can see it. You can see it. So what is the next thing now? I want us to put the parapet. I want us to put the parapet at this level. So how do we put the parapet? I want us to work on this 3D. You get? So let's go to component. Component is where you can actually access your parapet. If you want to maybe model anything you can do with the component. Look at it. Have so many things that you can do there. So let's you click on the component. When you click on the component, so when you click on the component, you come here at model in place. Model in place. Click on model in place. Click on model in place. You come down to casework. You see? Click on casework. Click on OK. I normally use the same name as default, but you can actually change it to anything you want. You can change it to parapet or something. But I normally use this. click OK. So the next thing is when you click OK, you come here at the crate. This crate, click on the crate, choose any of these, but this they have different works. So but to create a parapet you have to choose sweep. And they have extrusion, they have blend, they have resolve, they have sweep, swept, blend. Each of them has different what they are doing, but to create a parapet is you have to choose the sweep. So if you see, you see it's showing you on how to like be able to pick them. You click on the sweep. When you click on the sweep, then these two can actually serve. This one is basically serve in a plan. Like when it's showing, when you are in a plan view, you can use this. But since we are here on 3D, we are going to be using pick path. So click on the pick path. All you have to do is to click the edges of the wall at the top side where we want our parapet to be. You can click from there to here to here and to here. So I don't know if you guys see what I'm doing. Let me turn off this. Let me turn it off. Let me put it to normal. Okay, you see that we have line in the four edges. You pick this head, these edges at the top. You see, so all you have to do is to join them. Click here. So as it is now, if it's not joined, you cannot be able to pass. When you click on mark, you see it's bringing notification here that it cannot pass. So let's continue. First of all, what we have to do is that this line, these four lines are meant to be together. So click on this string, click here and here, it will be together. Click here and here, it will be together. Here and here, it will be together. So you mark good. So when you mark good, so you have to edit this point. You have to edit it the way you want your parapet to be. So the reason why for this external, sorry, we need to do the reason why I do Ctrl Z is that this edge is not joined. See, so I want it to be all connected. I want it to be all connected. So mark good. So now we need to edit this arrow here as our point. So let's go to elevation, open east elevation, You see the way it's showing now. Well, from here, we can now design our parapet the way we want it. All you have to do is come to this edit profile, click on edit profile. You can click on line, raise it to 600. We have our level there to level of parapet. Click, then extend it to 600, depending on how you want to design your parapet. Click, then you start make a design, whatever design you want. You can create anything that you want, how you want it to be. Okay, how you want it to be, you can create it. Then I'm just making anything because this video is of no use. Sometimes clients will tell you, okay, I need something like this, or I want something like maybe they might snap a picture and send to you that make my parapet design to be like this, or you can create something very nice for them on your own. So you can create this like this. I want to okay because you know our wall thickness is I want our parapet to be sitting on our wall direct. So press OK, click on OK, click on OK. So we have this as our parapet, but I feel like our parapet is actually too much for this size of building. You can do it 450, but I can leave it like this for this time because this video is for practice. Click on finish model. Then okay, so it's asking us to save. Let's save. Okay. So far we are able to achieve this. So we have achieved the ceiling, we have achieved the parapet at this level. What is the next thing for us to work on? Let's work on our roof. So we have to open our wall height because when you go to the parapet, you cannot see anything. So when you go to wall height, you'll be able to see the parapet. See, this is our parapet the way it is in the four corner. So let's go direct to our architecture. Click on architecture. You'll see that we have a roof here. Have a roof. So we click on it. So the next thing you have to like edit your roof. Click on edit. So what do you want to actually want to do here? Edit. First of all, since we have a parapet, we don't need a facial board or something. There's no need of leaving this thickness here. You can easily put something like maybe 10 there, understand? Or here in this material, we need to change this material to something at least showing, indicating that it's a roof because this one is showing a grass due to the it comes with a difference of the grass color you can see, but we don't need it to, it won't look nice. You can actually maybe do something like all you have to do, coming to this material, you click at this box here, click on it, Sorry. Okay, when you click on it, you see that we have different paints here and other things. So, but we need to like change. We need to like change it to what we need. It's taking a bit time. I don't know what is happening. Coming to this, I'm still going to show you guys on how to do all these things at this point. Okay, okay. I want us to use this. Let's use this. Let's use this. Let me copy the name. I want to copy the name so that I can easily paste it. Okay. You see the color have changed. Press OK. OK. See? So we have our roof set already. So what is the next thing? You need to like work on the slope of our roof. The slope of our roof. First of all, let's just model the roof first. So you click on line, click at this point, take it to this point, take it to this point, here and here. You see, all you have to do is mark good, finish modeling. See on the 3D, look at the way our roof is looking. You see, our roof is actually below the parapet. Why? Because we actually designed this roof at the wall height instead of at the what's it called, at the parapet level. So since our roof is highlighted, we highlight our roof. We come here. We can easily change it to come here, base level. Click here and change it back to parapet. Parapet. Apply. You see, it's back at the parapet level. See the way it's looking now. Very easy. Very easy. So, but okay, let's change it to realistic. Let's change it to realistic. Let's see how it is. Okay, guys, look at it. Look at it. See, we're able to model this. Very easy and simple. You see, we're able to achieve this. So in this video, we actually complete putting the parapet, the ceiling, and the roof. Please, you can actually subscribe to this channel for the videos like this, and also you can share to your friends. Understand? Share to your friends so that they'll be able to watch it with you and also learn how to design with um, Revit. So please do well to subscribe so that we'll be dropping videos like this back to back every day, so that you'll be able to learn how to use these softwares. So thank you for having you guys around.